Hey my love, let's get into today's look. This hair is from BUW Hair and it's super bomb. It's a glueless wig, and when I tell you it's glueless, babe, you don't have to do nothing other than literally put it on and cut the lace, and you're literally ready to go. So here I am, just finding the middle part and parting it and making sure it's flat. I'm gonna go in and cut the lace. And after cutting the lace, I'm gonna get my hot comb and just really make sure that my wig is super flat, because we don't want no bumpy wigs. And I'm always gonna use the hot comb in the front and the back. Always make sure you get the back, and then I just go in with my flat ironer and make sure it's super silky and straight. Even though the wig was already ready, babe. Like, this wig is super soft and full and just super cute. And this was like only 20 inches, I believe, and super cute. Anyways, you guys, make sure you go visit buw.com. Bye.